Welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to delve into the world of minimalist living room decor ideas. Embracing minimalism in your living space not only promotes clutter-free environment but also brings a sense of calm, serenity and elegance. We will explore various design concepts that will help you to create a harmonious and inviting living room that celebrates simplicity and functionality. So let's dive into these inspiring minimalist ideas that will transform your living room into a serene space. A fundamental aspect of minimalist design is a neutral color palette. Opt for shades like whites, soft grays, beige, and mustard pastels to create a serene and calming atmosphere. These colors also serves as a perfect backdrop for the rest of your decor elements and contribute to overall the sense of tranquility. Choose furniture pieces with clean lines and simple designs. Invest in a comfortable and stylish sofa or sectional that anchors the room. A clutter free living room is the cornerstone of minimalism. Keep only the essential and avoid excessive decorations. Embrace hidden storage solutions like built in cabinets or minimalist shelving to keep the items neatly tucked away. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and leather to add warmth and texture to your minimalist living room. A wooden coffee table or a stone accent wall can bring a touch of nature indoors while maintaining the simplicity of overall design. Select a few well chosen art pieces or decor items that align with the minimalist aesthetic. Avoid overwhelming the space with too many decorations. A single large statement art piece or a gallery wall with a carefully curated artworks can add personality to your living room without cluttering it. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in a minimalist living room. Embrace natural light whenever possible by keeping the window treatment simple and light. Maximize the sense of space by maintaining an open and airy layout. Arrange furniture in a way that encourages conversation and allow for easy movement. Complement your living room with soft ambient lighting using floor lamps, pendants, lights, or recessed lighting to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Avoid blocking pathways or crowding the room with unnecessary items, ensuring a sense of flow and throughout the space. Choose textiles like linen, cotton, or wool in neutral tones to enhance the minimalist vibe. Add a few throw pillows or a cozy rug to introduce texture and comfort without overpowering. And there you have it, a collection of minimalist living room decor ideas that will help you to create a serene and elegant space. Embrace the essence of simplicity, decluttering, and thoughtful design to transform your living room into a calm space. Remember, minimalism is not about sacrificing style but rather than about finding beauty in simplicity. Go ahead and start creating your perfect minimalist living room that brings peace and serenity into your daily life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and